Here's a C4 to take a look at it. Unique classic cars. It's a 1989 Chevrolet Corvette convertible. The year the convertible returned. Clean Carfax, 2-owner car. Actual miles 33,616 on the odometer at the moment. Of course, that 5.7 liter L98 two-import injected V8 underneath the hood, and automatic with overdrive transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Technician says the AC does blow cold, and as you can see, paint has a nice shine to it. This is dark smoke gray, or you'll also hear it called charcoal metallic. Paint coat of 96. Ebony leather interior, black cloth top. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website, and of course you can call us 507-386-1726. We have a front brake upgrade on this one, C5 front brakes, as well as a C5 chrome wheels, as you can see. Let's take a look down this passenger side, really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. I'll show you how the top folds up, and we'll get her latched later in the video, show you the condition of that. There you get a good look at the leather bucket seats. Nice shape for an 89. Center console does have a more modern radio that's been added to it, as you can see. Complete dual exhaust with catalytic converters. A couple notes from the technician on this one. Does have a new serpentine belt, as well as brake pads at all four corners. Newer weather stripping. Has had a coolant flush recently. AC has been converted to 134A, newer injectors. Once again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. There was a little bit of checking, if I remember right, kind of on this tonneau cover. If I can get it to show up kind of right in here, there you can see it. Nothing crazy over the top, and you got to be right on top of it to see it. But otherwise, like I said, paint has a nice shine to it, good looking car. If you like Corvettes, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. You can do that online or right off our showroom floor. You can see driver's side really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches too. Take your time looking through the still pictures. Be able to see the underside or any close-ups of imperfections we've seen. We will start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. First, let's take a look at the door panels, good shape. Of course, more modern amenities like power windows, power locks. Condition of the seats, pretty nice. No rips, tears, holes in the leather. Yeah, you get the natural wear from the leather hide, kind of natural wrinkling, like a good pair of shoes. Tilt column, cruise control. What headlights? Headlights work as they should, and they have a more modern light in them too. It's a lot brighter than a stock C4's headlights. No doubt about that. Let's go ahead and fire this up. We'll check the exact miles. The exact miles right here, 33,616. Again, L98, 5.7 liter TPI engine. Of course, the futuristic looking dash back in the 80s. And that coolant temp, that doesn't mean the coolant's low. The coolant temp is low because that was a cold start. We can do instant economy, trip odometer, oil pressure. Tax working. Top of the dash looks good. No warning indicators, just the door ajar since I don't have the door closed. Let's check out the stereo. More modern GM radio fits in there nicely. Works well too. Electronic climate control down here. This also has power seat driver's side. Something to note, steering column nice and tight. It's not loose, has not been used to climb in and out of. It's The steering column is nice and firm on that one. You can see the gasket there and weather stripping has been replaced. Let's listen. Power antenna works. Sounds good. A little rumble coming out of that 5.7. See if that latched it. There it is. Hey, look at this engine, okay? A little dress up underneath there. Different valve covers. Nice polished intake. Polished work underneath there. Check it out from both sides here. Yeah, nice looking engine, mate, no doubt about that. Alright, tell you what, let me get the tripod set up here. We'll get the camera on it. I'll show you how easy it is to fold up this convertible top. Check out the condition of that. Like I said, stick around to the very end. We'll see how this one goes down the road too. And the convertible top up. So black fabric top, latched above the windshield, nice tight fit. Rolled up the side glass here also. No rips, tears, or holes. Doesn't really show a lot of wear at all, actually. Rear window, nice and clear. Straps down on that tonneau cover, nice and tight. And passenger side. If you need it to keep you out of a shower or the sun, it's going to serve its purpose just fine. And simple manual top, as you can see, to fold up. Goes back down, just reverse of what you've seen me do. Suppose I could show you how to do that too on this one. 2-owner, clean Carfax, a little over 30,000 original miles, 1989 Chevrolet Corvette convertible. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Stick around a little bit longer. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
Gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Here we have a 1989 Chevrolet Corvette in a very nice dark gray color, kind of a gunmetal gray maybe. I do like the color. This is a convertible and we have the top down today. It's an automatic right here on the center console. Very nice exhaust sound to this car. If you get on it, it sounds good. Let's hear it. Just slightly muffled, slightly mean. I just love the sound. Our blower motor does blow air. We have a later style GM radio in the dash with CD capability. I have not tested CD, but FM is working. Cruise control functions. Our beautiful digital gauges are working. If there's any flicker there, that's just the camera's frame rate. They look good on the dash. We can read the coolant temperature. We can read the volts. We can switch from oil pressure to oil temperature. That's all looking good. Oil pressure 43. The instant readout on the miles per gallon. You can switch between that and the average. Our tachometer and speedometer are working as they should. Brakes nice and smooth. Corners the way a Corvette should, nice and flat. Can accelerate into the corners for more fun. Coolant temperature right around 198 right now. Very nice looking, strong running 1989 Chevrolet Corvette. Take a look at all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.